So I am the small town blogger. I decided to revive my YouTube channel and start. And what better than starting with what's in my makeup bag, because I've just started using makeup. I'm still in the beginner stage. So I decided to do something like that because I love watching what's in someone else's bag, which is creepy, but yes. Also, so it was just 2 weeks back that I'd gone to Hyderabad for a visit, and since then I haven't unpacked my suitcase. So I decided to just take out that bag that I'd packed for traveling and show you guys what I carry when I travel. And it's damn never travel light. Never. I call it traveling light, but it's never light. Okay, so let's see what I carry in my makeup bag. So the bag that I carry is this, which is transparent and see-through basically, and you can see the things that are inside, which is easier and better compared to the other pouches. I my aunt had got this from the US, and it comes in three sets. This is the smaller one. I use the other two for clothes. And yeah, so let's open this up and see what's in it. So the first thing that I'm going to take out is all right, a body mist. I don't know why, but I'm addicted to body mist as much as perfumes. I can't like go anywhere without both of them. And I need both of them for some reason. It might be two different fragrances, but yeah, what the hell. So yes, body mist. And then comes this Clinique. I don't know if you can see this here. Um, yeah, yeah. So Clinique Moisture Surge. I'd got this from a friend, and I've been using this. This is about to get over, so I need to refill this, and it's perfect for the summers. The next is Biolin because chapped lips. And this BB cream has literally changed my makeup game. I rarely use foundation, and even now I don't use that very much. But I have started using this BB cream thanks to Anupriya, aka Style Prism, who recommended this product. So yes, Pond's BB cream, you guys. And then moisturizer for the legs and the hands, always. The next is this compact from Nykaa. So this one. So then I have this from My Glam, which is a 5-in-1 kit for it has primer, concealer, foundation, compact, and skin tone correction. So yes, I hope you guys can see this. And then compact, eyeshadows. This, my dearest cousin Teju had got it, and this is like a perfect shade. It has all the earthy neutral shades that I can use when I'm going back home because I don't want to be too drama-ish with my eyes. So yes, this is it. Thank you, Teju. Also, I am obsessed with highlighters, and unfortunately I have just two of them, but I use them a lot, especially if I'm going out for a party, but not like on a regular basis. And I got this from Wet and Wild in Ernakulam, if I'm not wrong. There's a mall there, which has all these brands, and I had to get this for myself. So yeah, this is Wet and Wild. Then I have the Flush Stick, which is also like a blush stick, easy to use and pretty portable. Of course, drama in your eyes without the eyelashes. Um, So this is another one that I'd got from the mall in Ernakulam. And yeah, this is from Wet n Wild. Yes. Not going anywhere without this. Impossible. And this eye cream, I always forget using this, but I make sure I carry it just in case if I see it. And yeah, so this eye cream, because I have like gaddhas in my eyes. Then this is the hair food serum that I'd got from Bali, thanks to a friend who asked me to go to this place which makes like amazing hair products and skin products. And I didn't want to take a risk, so I got a sample of this and I'm using this and it's amazing. I might just have to like ask a friend to get this for me from the same place, because I doubt you'll get this anywhere else. So yeah, this one. If you want to see, if you're going to Bali, you have to get this. And then a pocket-sized perfume from Calvin Klein. Yay! So when it comes to lipsticks, I'm currently going for only tinted lip colors or nude shades. I rarely wear red now, but I still carry a red just in case. This is from the Maybelline Lip Gradation series. Okay, well, anyways, so I always carry a nude and a red and a pink sometimes, but off late I'm into lip glosses. So yeah, so I have this from Miniso, which is like lip balm and also has this nude tint. The other one is this chubby stick from Clinique, which has like a red shade. And this one is from Fenty Beauty, which has the shimmer touch to this lip gloss. So yes, these are a few of them that I carry. I mean, you might just find a few more in my handbag. So yeah, these are the ones. And last but not the least, cotton pads to remove all the dirt from your skin and the makeup. This is it. And I hope you like this video. If you like it, I'm just looking at both the cameras and the screen because I'm not used to it. Please forgive me, but if you like this video, please subscribe, share, and like.